My name is Onesmo, Chef Onesmo. Also, I'm a tutor of White Dove College. Today we will prepare some bread rolls. Here we have bread rolls. Also here we have some bread traces and bread loaf. Are we together?
Yes. My name is David Peter. I'm from White Dove College, and today we have prepared ginger pumpkin soup. In our soup, we have some ingredients which we have used. First of all, we have used the two pumpkins, ginger, garlic, and we have used also some hot water in preparing our soup. Also, you're welcome at White Dove College. Thank you.
My name is Aliza Harani. I'm from White Dove College. I'm a student of Hotel Management course. Today we have learned about preparing bread rolls, bread trays and bread loaf. Also we have prepared the pumpkin soup. You are welcome at White Dove College. Thank you.
Kwa majina naitwa Glory Ladins, nasoma katika chuo cha White Dove College. Leo tumejifunza kutengeneza mkate pamoja na supu. Karibuni White Dove College.
Cream.
Karibu White Dove College.
Mafunzo kwa vitendo.
Karibu White Dove College.
Mafunzo kwa vitendo.